Hello.
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 Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hi, I'm Kiki. I'm from Nigeria and I'm currently enrolled at the University of Debrecen. I heard about the University of Debrecen from a college fair, and so far my experience has been amazing. The highlight of my experience, of course, has been the diverse community, the nice atmosphere, and the very supportive international department. And math has been my favorite subject here so far. My teacher is extremely nice and it's just so much fun learning math.
Hello, my name is Alan. I am from Kenya and currently I'm studying mathematics at the University of Debrecen. So far I have found my experience to be very enlightening, both in terms of culture and with the different people I have met.
Hi, my name is Oscar Malaver. I come from Peru and I study mathematics in the University of Debrecen. Since I was a kid, I've had a passion for mathematics. That's why I think that the University of Debrecen is quite an interesting option to develop my academic future.
I chose the University of Debrecen because I enjoy meteorology and I enjoy geology. I decided to specialize in meteorology because of my love of climate and my love of the weather. And in the future, I plan to also be a meteorologist.
The reason why I chose Hungary, and so discovering more about it, is the reason why we should be here in the geology specialization.
Hello, my name is Çağlar Borlu. I come from Cyprus and I chose the program of Earth Sciences so that I would go deeper to the geography education and meteorology and geology.
My name is Ina. I'm from Japan. I study Earth Sciences. In here, I can do field trip and do experiments. So that's why I chose this university.
My name is Aryan and I come from Pakistan and I'm currently studying Bachelor's in Biotechnology from University of Debrecen, and so far the program for me has been great because I've got to learn a lot from the Hungarian professors who are very supportive, and also I've got to learn a lot from the international community.
Hi, my name is Zura. I am from Kyrgyzstan. I started my journey at the University of Debrecen in 2021 as a chemical engineer student in the level of master degree.
My name is Sofia. I'm from Russia. I chose Debrecen because it has largest scientific university in English.
Hello, my name is Sidar Shokat and I'm from Pakistan. I am studying in University of Debrecen, Hungary, and I'm a third year BSc chemistry student. And right now I'm doing my research with my professor Tot Eva.
Hi, my name is Olga. I'm from Russia. It's my third year here in Debrecen. I'm a chemistry bachelor student. The best part also was laboratory practices that we had a lot of them. We had inorganic, organic, physical chemistry, biochemistry practices, and the supervisors there are very nice and kind to us. I enjoyed my stay here to the extent that I decided to stay for 2 more years and continue my studies in Masters in Debrecen University.
My name is Robert Kemaka. I'm from Liberia, West Africa. So I would like to encourage people from Africa or anywhere to come to Hungary and the University of Debrecen.
This is Sana Khatak from Pakistan. I am studying MSc Geoinformatics at University of Debrecen. I will encourage students to come and see the innovation and the advanced technology here in University of Debrecen.
My name is Sima Isaac. I'm from Palestine and I study biology at the University of Debrecen. And I love studying at this university, and especially in this city, the city of Debrecen.
Hello, my name is Layla Muhammad. I'm from Palestine
and I study my bachelor degree here in the University of Debrecen. I really enjoy my study here in the University of Debrecen.